The man accused of killing a Detroit synagogue leader is back in court fighting to have the case against him dismissed. Michael Jackson-Bolanos appeared at a hearing today following the mixed verdict in his trial last week. He was accused of stabbing Samantha Woll to death during a home invasion. 7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham is raising the voices of her loved ones who are speaking out for justice.
Michael Jackson-Bolanos' attorney says her client cannot be retried. Samantha Woll's father and sister tell me they're convinced he's guilty.
We're going to refer him for a preceptive report.
The defense filed a motion to dismiss the case against Michael Jackson-Bolanos. At his pretrial hearing today, the judge told the prosecution to submit a response stating why his murder case should be retried. Last week, the jury ended his trial deadlocked on a felony murder charge and home invasion. Jackson-Bolanos was found not guilty of first-degree murder and guilty of lying to police. He's accused of killing Samantha Woll at her Detroit condo in October. After court today, I spoke with Woll's sister, Dr. Monica Woll-Rosen.
What I've seen in the media this week has infuriated me. The defense has been working hard to make this case about race when it should be about evidence. And in this case, the evidence points very clearly to one man, and that man is Michael Jackson-Bolanos.
Woll-Rosen and her father, Dr. Douglas Woll, say Samantha spent her life breaking down racial stereotypes and boundaries, and that she'd be the last person to want to see someone wrongly accused. Woll-Rosen highlighted the fact other people were also investigated.
Through a long and exhaustive process, these suspects were excluded one by one because no evidence connected them to the murder.
How far were they actually investigated? I think it would be unfair of anyone to turn a blind eye to the obvious issue of race.
Jackson-Bolanos' attorney, Purna Krishnamurthy, says her client cannot be retried based on a previous case that set precedent.
In that case, the felony murder was dismissed along with the felony that attached to it. That person was found not guilty of first-degree murder with the underlying second-degree murder as well.
Krishnamurthy started this petition online at change.org.
And what we're trying to do is just shine a light to the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office to let them know that Michael Jackson-Bolanos is supported from everyone. There's maybe a pocket of people that believe that he may be guilty, but overwhelmingly the majority of people believe in his innocence.
You can watch Dr. Woll-Rosen's full statement at WXYZ.com. The prosecutor must submit their reasoning for retrying the case by August 2nd. On August 9th, Jackson-Bolanos will be sentenced for lying to police, which carries a maximum of 15 years in prison. In Detroit, Darren Cunningham, 7 News Detroit.
Okay, Darren, thank you.